The reason is stuck in a wind speed at nearly 360 miles an hour. So here's what's going to happen. Neil Darnell cut down to the flash fire jet truck, making a lot of smoke, and a lot of noise. We see the fire. That highly modified Chevy S10 pickup is powered by J34 jet engine. Alright, Neil. That jet engine produces 7,000 pounds of
Oh.
Buckeye engine. Jet engine. Today, Neil's going to pilot that truck. Now we talk about the G-forces of John and Jeff flying these airplanes. Neil's going to experience some of the same types of forces felt in gravity now. John clamp right off the deck over the top of Neil. He'll pull hard up into the vertical. Neil's going to work his way down to Airshow, ride his wife and crew chief Marilyn in the yellow Corvette. Neil will get set, and we're going to have a race. We talk about 7,000 pounds of thrust, and that J34 jet engine, John Clanton, high producing over 300 horse. John having to get advantage of the forward start, but Neil obvious with the advantage of the horsepower. So, John Clanton, he's going to position at Airshow right. Jeff Bourbon right at Airshow center. He'll pull up, slow roll. Maryland making sure that all checks and balances for Neil as she sets up at Airshow right in the yellow Corvette. She'll pull the flag for Neil as he gets in position. So, we're going to line up for a race. Crowd, what do you think? Neil Darnell going to take this in the flash fire jet truck. Make some noise. All right, a little noise. What do you think about John Clack going to win the race in the Air National Guard's MXS? Well, Ricky, I don't know. Might be a drop. John Clack Airshow right. He's from the inbound. Neil Darnell. Watch closely. The flag is off the truck. Maryland going to get set. We're going to see a lot of black smoke. John's going to be inbound at about 180 miles an hour. We're going to see the jet truck with a lot of smoke, some noise. Neil's going to light the afterburner, and he's going to accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 1.6 seconds, reaching speeds at nearly 300 miles an hour. John Clyde inbound from the right. Jeff Bourbon lining up at Airshow left. Neil Darnell, the flash fire jet truck, spooling up the engine now. Black smoke. Here we go. It's race time. Make some noise! Jeff Bourbon and Neil Darnell driving the flash fire jet Folks, if you'd like to learn more about John Clapp, visit us on our website at JohnClappAirshows.com. And if you'd like to learn more about the Guard all weekend long, visit us on the more about the Air National Guard, or you can visit at GoANG.com. Neil Darnell and his wife Marilyn are located down towards Airshow left. They'll be back there with the yellow Corvette, the beautiful flash fire jet truck. If you'd like to meet Neil and his wife Marilyn, John Clanton, Jeff Bourbon still having a little bit of fun here, man, on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. A great crowd. On behalf of John Clanton Airshow, I want to say thank you, Airshow fans, for coming out here and supporting this great event. There's some more action coming up.
Tim Jarvison, buddy. Thanks, Tim, for coming out here and dirty enough our sky. Flash fire jet truck and the whole Max adrenaline. So we're so happy to have you here. Tim Jarvison, buddy. Thanks for coming out. Colonel John Clapp, Mr. Bourbon up there still having a great time.